I'm planning to do the problems that I went over in class. Maybe you guys forgot, but we were doing the triangle sum theorem, and we know that the angles in a triangle are equal to 180. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps. We have one angle that is 63. We have another angle that is 92, plus we're missing the measurement of angle 1, and we know that the sum is equal to 180. So we're going to add 63 plus 92, and that gives you 155 degrees plus the measurement of angle 1 equals 180. We're going to subtract 155 from both sides. And so we know that the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 155, which gives you 25 degrees. Remember that the angles in a triangle are equal to 180. So I'm going to go ahead and do example 3 because that's the one I did, number 3, I did that in class. So we have the measurement of angle 1 plus 80 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we have the measurement of angle 1 plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. We're going to subtract 120 from both sides. So we know that the measurement of angle 1 gives you 60 degrees. So that is 60 degrees. So that was 1, 3. Now I'm going to go to 5. And you notice that you have kind of 2 triangles in one. So I decided, because it's asking you to find the value of each variable, so I decided to find z first. Remember, we have z plus the measure of angle z plus 24 degrees plus 57 degrees is equal to, remember that the sum is equal to 180 degrees. So we have 24 plus 57, and that gives you 81. So we have z plus 81 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. Subtract 81 from both sides. And so z is equal to 99 degrees. And we know that angle z and angle y are supplementary. They do share a common side. So you have angle y, the measure of angle y is equal to 180 minus 99. So the measure of angle y is 180 minus 99, which gives you 81. And we know that we have, this is 81. We could have also added 57 and 24. Remember, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the 2 remote interior. So we have 81. So to find x, the measurement of angle x, we have 40. Let me take that back. I'm going to erase that. Remember that the sum of the 3 angles is 180. And then we're going to add 81 and 40, which gives you 121. So you subtract 121, so x equals 59. So let me just check real quick. 180 minus 121, which gives you 59 degrees. So I went ahead and found x, which is 59 degrees. Y was 81 degrees and z was 99. Make sure that you show your work. That was 5. And talking about 7 and remote interior and exterior angles, it says use the diagram on the right to answer the questions. which angle is an exterior angle, and we know that the measurement of angle 1, or we say angle 1 is your exterior angle. Your two remote interior angles are the ones that are inside the triangle, which we have are 70 degrees, and we also have 38 degrees. So to find the measurement of angle 1, remember that that exterior angle is equal to the two remote interior angles. So we have 70 plus 38, which gives you 108 degrees. So 38 plus 70 gives you 108 degrees. We know that the measurement, or we know that angle 2 and angle 1 are adjacent. They share the same side. So we know that the measurement of angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 108, since they are adjacent. So they are supplementary. So that equals to 72 degrees. Number 9, it says find the value of the variables and the measures of the angles. Remember that we have x, we have the measurement of angle x, we have x, and then we have the other angle measurement, which is 2x plus 6. And of course we also have 2x minus 6. And remember that the sum of the angles in a triangle are equal to 180. So you have x plus 2x plus 2x, which gives you 5x. And then we have 6 minus 6, which is 0, which is equal to 180. Let's go ahead and divide by 5. So we have x is equal to 180 divided by 5. So we have 180 divided by 5, which gives you 36. So if you want to find the measurement of each angle, you know that this is equal to 36 degrees. You're going to substitute 2 times 36 plus 6. So 2 times 36 is 72 plus 6 is 78 degrees. And this will have to be minus 6, so this is 72 degrees. So we have one angle which is 78 degrees. We have the other angle that is 72 degrees. And then we have another angle that is 36 degrees. So the combined total is 180 degrees. So you would do that also for number 8. You're going to add those. Now you know that you have a right angle. So that's the sum is going to be, the angle is going to be 90. Number 10, you have 2x plus 90 plus the 1/2 x. And it's given you a figure of line segment ED that is perpendicular to ED is perpendicular to CB. Yep. And we know that ED bisects angle CBD, angle CDB. And you want to find angle DBA. So just a little hint, you're going to have to add those angles. Number 11, I'm not going to do 10, you're going to have to do that on your own. Number 11, the measure of each angle in an isosceles right. The word isosceles means that it's two sides of a triangle that are congruent. So you have a right triangle and you have this side that's congruent to this side. So that means that this angle, and it's not drawn to scale, and this angle are both congruent, and this is 90. So if this is 90 degrees and the remaining angles have a sum of 90, then they have to be 45, and this one has to be 45. So I just explained it to you. You're going to have to write it down. If one angle is 90, then the other two angle measurements have to have a sum of 90. So when you divide by 90, it's 45. So make sure you explain. 13, I didn't want you to do 13. 15, oh, and don't do 16. 15, you're trying to find the missing angle measurement. Remember that angle 2, the measurement of angle 2 plus 38 degrees plus 90 equals to 180. So to find the measurement of angle 2, you're going to have to add 38 plus 90. So let me go ahead and do that. 38 plus 90, which gives you 128. 38 plus 90 give you 128. So you have the measurement of angle 2 plus 128 equals 180. So what you do with 180 and 128, you're going to subtract. So you have 180 minus 128, because you have to subtract 128 from both sides. So we know that the measurement of angle 2 is equal to 52 degrees. So this is this angle is 52 degrees. So we know we want to find the measurement of angle 1. So the measurement of angle 1 plus 116 degrees plus 31 degrees is equal to, it's a triangle, so the sum of the angles is going to equal to 180. So you're going to add 116. You're going to add 116 plus the 31 degrees, which gives you a 147. So the measurement of angle 1 plus 147 is equal to 180 degrees. And then what you're going to do with 180 degrees, you're going to subtract from 147. Or you subtract 147. So you come out with the measurement of angle 1 is equal to 33 degrees.